just got a coin. It was right about, a little more than 8 inches. I think it's a weedy. Yep, weedy. Let me see the date on here. Ooh, 1919 or 1915. I don't know if you can see. I'll have to clean it up and make sure the date on that, but it's definitely 191. I can't see the last number, so that's a real early one. 100-year-old coin right there. Let's go digging. Just 22 casing. I'm back in my field where I found the 2 pocket knives and all the square nails in, and I just found that wheat penny over here. I wanted to show you guys this new shovel I got here. It's a trenching shovel. It's perfect for pulling the plugs out with that little dip in the back there. You can dig a nice clean big plug with it, and it pops out real easily. That's a real good shovel. Just got it and I'm liking it. Wow. Look at that big musket ball. Just my 3rd signal. First one is the wheat penny, 1919. I checked the date on it. Then I got that 22 casing, and now I got a musket ball. This place is just filled with relics, man. I mean, wow. That is awesome. It was coming up between 65 and 66. The target ID on the AT Pro. But hey, that's awesome. I mean, it was just storming so bad earlier. Now it's just a beautiful day. We got more storms coming later, even a tornado warning, but that's not for a couple hours. I'm only about a quarter mile from my car, so see how many more relics we can get. Yeah, that's a nice bullet. Nowhere near as old as that musket ball, but I'm happy with that. I dug my hole here, a hole there, hole there, hole there. It's just in a line. And right over here is where I dug, right there. That's where I dug that wheat penny. So, just in a line here. I don't know, just a iron loop. Thought it might have been a spring at first, but no. Don't know. Either a pistol ball or some buckshot. Hit something pretty hard. It's a little button, like a coat button or something. So I don't know what that could be, guys. It's like a tiny bead. It's got a hole in the middle. It's made of metal. That is very, very old. You can tell just by looking at it, but I don't know. It could be like a bead. I really don't think it's a bullet or anything like that. But hey, let me know. I'm not quite sure what it's made of. It was coming up, jumping all over the place from the 40s, 50s, and 60s for the target ID, so I'm not too sure. Another squash bullet. Just found another brilliant little lead bag seal. I can't make out what that says. Lopodus. The bottom's a little cut off there, but hey, that's cool. It's got writing on it. I would love to know the history of these things, where they came from, where they were on. I've been fighting quite a few of them here. I've never found them anywhere else except for this spot I've been detecting. That's backwards. Oh, well, that's a great little find. Let's go get some more. Just dug a zipper, not even a foot away. from that lead bag seal. Lead bag seal here, zipper here. It is just pouring so bad right now. I'm kind of in these trees here detecting. But hey, it's producing Relic, so let's keep on digging. Alright guys, I got a beautiful signal in here. 8384 VDI. It's pouring. I hope you can see. Let's find it. Oh, it's a coin. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. What is that? 1907. What is that? Oh my God. Wow. 1 dime. Can you see that? Focus. Wow. Hold on a second. Let me clean this up and I'll. Wow. Look at that coin. 1907 Barber dime. It's got a O mint mark. Wow. Look at the condition that is in. That is beautiful. Wow. I just saw an old fence here, and I dug a lead bag seal and a zipper right back there. And there's just like beer bottles and everything in here. I just swore this was gonna be a beer can. But I dug it and wow, look at that. It's just pouring right now, but I don't even care. That is amazing. Wow, this is why I metal detect. You can go on a bad streak, but you dig something like this and it takes your breath away. I just can't believe the shape that this coin is in. It's been in the ground for well over 100 years at least. And just look at the detail on that. That is just such a beautiful coin. You can read everything on there. That's the find of the day so far right there. Silver. Gotta love it. Now let's go dig. Just got a nice bullet here. Man, this spot is pretty amazing. And the YouTuber Tony Eisenhower, most of you probably know who he is. He had just messaged me on YouTube. And I just gotta say, you are good luck, Tony. I got your message, and I got a lead bag seal, and then that Barber dime. So you are good luck, my friend. Just got an old button.